Hollyhock flowers, with their tall stalks adorned in vibrant blooms, add a touch of charm and beauty to any garden, whether you're a novice gardener or a seasoned plant enthusiast. Growing and caring for hollyhocks is a rewarding experience. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of cultivating these delightful flowers and ensuring they thrive in your garden. Choosing the right variety. Start by selecting the hollyhock variety that suits your preferences and growing conditions. Common varieties include Alcea rosea, also known as the common hollyhock, which comes in various colors like pink, white, yellow, and red. Other varieties like Halo Series and Summer Carnival offer additional options with unique characteristics. Planting hollyhock seeds. Hollyhocks can be started from seeds indoors or sown directly into the garden. If starting indoors, sow the seeds in seed trays filled with seed starting mix about 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost date. Lightly cover the seeds with soil and keep them moist until germination occurs. Once the danger of frost has passed, transplant the seedlings into the garden, spacing them around 18 to 24 inches apart. Direct sowing. If you prefer to sow the seeds directly in the garden, do so in early spring or late fall. Prepare the soil by loosening it and removing any debris. Sow the seeds about 1/4 inch deep and 12 to 18 inches apart. Water gently after sowing and keep the soil moist until the seedlings emerge. Watering and fertilizing. Water hollyhocks regularly, aiming to keep the soil evenly moist. Deep watering is recommended to encourage strong root development. However, avoid overwatering, as hollyhocks are susceptible to root rot. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer during the growing season to provide essential nutrients. Pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids and caterpillars. Regularly inspect the plants and treat any infestations promptly using organic pest control methods. Hollyhocks are also susceptible to fungal diseases like rust. To prevent fungal infections, ensure good air circulation and avoid overhead watering. Deadheading and pruning. To prolong the blooming period, deadhead spent flowers regularly. This involves removing the faded blooms by cutting the stalk just above a healthy leaf or bud. Additionally, pruning the plants in early spring can help maintain their shape and vigor. Winter care. Hollyhocks are generally hardy plants, but they benefit from some winter protection. Cut back the stalks to a few inches above the ground in late fall. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plant to insulate the roots during the cold winter months. Propagation. If you wish to propagate hollyhocks, collect seeds from mature seed pods in late summer or early fall. Store the seeds in a cool, dry place until the following spring.